Okay, now it was a sweet rhyme, anyways, because it was a snowman's rhyme. Okay, now let's move on to our first caller. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
Johan.
Johan. Hi, Johan.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Okay, so actually, Johan, your exams are coming up, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you are preparing for it.
yeah.
Okay, so I have two friends with me. You have heard, right?
Huh?
You have heard that I have two friends with me.
No.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll tell you. They are the two friends. Now you can see, right?
Uh-uh. What?
Okay, on screen we have two friends. Okay, so can you suggest
Okay.
two names?
Um, no.
Any name, no problem.
Uh, what is the gender?
There is a boy and there's a girl also.
Hmm. Second,
Sorry?
I can't get any name.
Oh, okay. Think.
Uh,
Okay, no problem then.
okay.
Okay, then let's move on to game now.
Okay.
Which game?
Atlas?
Atlas. Okay, your favorite game, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then no problem. You start.
India.
India. Okay, starting with the mother country only. Okay, India. A. America.
America. A. Austria.
Austria. A. Algeria.
Huh?
Algeria.
And A again.
Yeah.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. In New York.
New York. K. Kuwait.
K. Kuwait. T. Tokyo.
Tokyo. O.
Yeah. Oh. There's a place in Middle
Odisha.
East. Eh?
Orissa.
Okay, Orissa. A. Again for me. Okay, Agra.
Agra. A. Asia.
Asia. A. Okay. Argentina.
Argentina. And A. Australia.
Okay, anyway, that was a nice game. Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Johan who called us. He's a regular caller and his favorite game is Atlas. So let's go back to our topic that is caroms. Caroms is an indoor game. The carom game, now you can see a picture of a carom board. So actually the carom game is a strike and a pocket table game. It's almost like billiards and the table shuffle game. It is found throughout the East under different names through many countries like non-eastern people have also told like East Asian game or something carom. Carom is something took from the carom that name only because carom was a first carom was known like that. Then only then the Europeans came and they only modify the name into caroms. So now like now everyone knows that carom is a familiar game and most of us play and all. So like it is mostly played in Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Nepal and many other countries like that. Even in Middle East it's played. It's mostly played in cafes and clubs, and there are many tournaments and all happening for caroms in clubs, in cafes and everywhere, most of them. Like if you keep a carom board in front of your family, all the adults will also join you. So now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
uh, your good name?
Aditya.
Aditya. Hi Aditya.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, how's your day?
Very nice.
Very nice. So what did you do in your school today?
I know school today. For me, it is study leave actually.
Oh, okay, it's a study leave. So tomorrow you have a
Last essay.
last essay. Cool. My essay is on Wednesday.
So
Last.
today you had school.
Yeah, today I had school. Tomorrow I have a study leave.
Oh.
Okay. So now, Aditya.
Yeah?
Okay, now you are watching TV, right?
Yeah?
Okay, now you can see two people at the back of me, right? Two friends.
Oh, no, actually, I can't see the TV. I'm calling, the TV is, for me, it's not working, but I know the number, so.
Oh, okay, no problem. So I have two people with me. There are two children. Okay, one is boy and one is girl. So can you suggest some names?
One boy and one girl. You suggest the name.
Anything like any girl name or any boy name. So you have to tell that.
Okay, one I name it okay, one I'll name it as Rani.
Sorry,
One I'll name it Millie.
Millie. Okay, that's a girl, right?
Yeah.
Now you have to name the boy.
Ravi.
Ravi. Okay. So both are nice names. Actually, you got the Millie name from the Millie movie.
Huh?
You saw that Millie movie or something like that?
No.
Okay, actually there's a movie called Millie, so I just thought that you must have seen that or something
Okay.
like that. Okay. So now let's go for a game now.
Okay.
Which game do you want to play?
Actually, I have prepared a song now.
Okay, so you want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Okay, then carry on.
Bow chicka bow bow, that's what my baby said. Ma ma ma, and my heart starts pumping. Chicka chicka choo walk, never gonna stop. Gitchy gitchy you means that I love you. My baby's got a old way of talking. Whenever she says something sweet, she know it's my world she's walking. So my vocabulary is incomplete. I know it makes her confusing. Sometimes I wish you'd give it to me straight, but I never feel like I'm losing it. But I take the time to translate, here's what I'm talking about chicka baba. That's what my baby says, ma ma ma, and my heart starts pumping. Chicka chicka choo walk, never gonna stop. Gitchy gitchy you means that I love you. Well, I don't know what to do, but I can't get it through. Cause when I say I love you, she says, but gitchy you too. Don't need a dictionary about chicka baba. That's what my baby says, ma ma ma. While my heart starts pumping, chicka chicka chew up. Never gonna stop, gitchy you means that I love you. I said bow chicka bow bow. That's what my baby said, ma ma ma. And my heart starts pumping, chicka chew off. Never gonna stop, gitchy you means that I love you. Yeah, chicka you means that I love you. Yeah, chicka you means that I love you, baby, baby, baby. Yeah, chicka you means that I love you.
Okay, that was a fabulous singing. What to tell, yaar?
Huh?
What to tell? Fabulous singing.
Thank you.
Okay, so what's the name of the song?
It is Gitchy Go.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll try to learn.
Okay.
Okay, so which game do you want to play now? Hello? Hello? Okay, I guess the call have dropped then. Bye, Aditya. Okay, that was Aditya who called us. Unfortunately, the call is dropped, but still he sang a nice song for us. Okay, so now let's go back to our topic. Actually, if I say about hockey or any other game like that, that's a outdoor game. But caroms is a indoor game, and mostly we play, and also whenever we can play like that and all. So now, as chess and all also have pieces, even carom have pieces. Okay. Then, okay, the first player breaks uh, breaks using his or her finger by flicking the striker in a forward direction or shooting it to a point. So now, as you all know that you'll have a coin or a striker, and other rest of the coins are there, and you have to strike that, and you have to make it fall into a pocket. So that's a game rule. So like that only we all play and all. So the first player to pot a carom piece will pot the same color of the duration of the game and all. So they'll put the piece and all. So before going to more information, now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Your good name?
Shan.
Shan. Okay. You're calling first time or something like that?
No, I've
Okay.
called before.
Okay, maybe. Okay, where are you living?
Abu Dhabi.
Okay. Which grade you are in?
8th.
8th. Okay. Which school?
Abu Dhabi Indian School.
Abu Dhabi Indian School. Okay, Shan, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Okay, in this vacation, this coming vacation, I'm planning to go somewhere in Abu Dhabi. So, can you suggest some places?
Go to Cornish. For playing and all, Cornish is good.
Okay, any other something like where I can see and explore and all, which place it would be nice?
Like that, I don't know. Better go some mall and all. Like for fun trips and all, mall, Cornish, parks and all are good.
Oh,
Ferrari World like that. Yas, Lent, Yas Mall.
okay. So you have went to all these places and all?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Shan, who's your best friend?
My best friend Inas.
Uh,
My classmate.
I didn't get you.
Inas.
Okay.
Inas. INAS.
Okay. So, like, do you like him?
Yes.
Okay. So, why he became your best friend? Any reason?
He understands me. He helps me and all in my works. And we
Okay.
both are in a team in football.
Oh, that's cool. But the understanding is the main thing of a friend. So, it is your friend is doing that. So, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So, actually, we have games over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which game do you want to play?
Which one are left now?
Now there's connection is there, rapid fire is there, memory is there, GK is there, riddles is there, tongue twister is there, spelling, then dictionary, then sentence making.
Oh, I'll go for connection.
Connection. Okay, you know the rules?
Yes.
Okay, then you start.
Long.
Long. G, giraffe.
Giraffe. E, elephant.
E, elephant. T, temple.
Temple. E, ear.
Ear. R, rainbow.
Rainbow. W, wash.
Wash. H, hat.
Hat. T, tap.
T, tap. P, porcupine.
Which letter?
E,
E. O, egg.
egg. G, girl.
Girl. L, lamp.
Lamp. P again for me. Plate.
Plate. E. E,
Fast, fast.
I'm not getting anything.
Okay, maybe a bird is there, right?
Igloo.
Igloo is I.
Oh yeah, shit. No. Ego.
Ego. O, omnipotent. T,
T, tall.
tall. L, leopard.
Leopard. D, Dan.
Dam.
Dam, yeah.
M, monkey.
Monkey. Y, yash. Yeah, something. Oh, one animal is yash.
Yeah.
Yak.
Yeah. Okay, no, that was a nice game.
Okay.
Okay, so you like the game?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See ya.
Okay, that was Shan who called us. He played Connection and all. Okay, then let's move back to our topic. Carom pieces are only be struck directly. They are kept in one in the square, like it's landing way, and when you strike them, they'll go to the pocket and fall, as I told you. If is not touching the player's baseline or situated behind the baseline, will baseline, it is a case of the player will must hit the carom piece or the player will be out also. So that's also another reason. So be quiet, be quiet and all, something like that. So like be quiet means be really careful when you play carom, because it can strike and maybe you won't get it and it will be a foul also. That's another thing. So then red queen. Red queen is something in a important piece in carom. So before that, now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Riona.
Rihanna.
Riona.
Riona. Okay. Hi, Riona.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Which school you are in?
I'm in Indian school, Ajman.
Indian school Ajman. Okay. Then which class you are in?
I'm in 4th grade.
Fourth grade. Okay. So which is your favorite place and all to go?
I go Kerala. It's my
Okay. Why you like Kerala?
yeah.
Yeah. Why you like that?
Because there are my grandparents and all.
Okay. Only grandparents are there. No one else. Your cousin.
Grandparents, relatives, cousins.
Okay. So you like to go to Kerala.
Yeah.
In this vacation you are going?
No.
This July, August, that time.
No, I'm not going. I'm going in December.
Okay. Okay. So Riona,
Huh?
you're watching the TV right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see one girl and two boy. I mean one girl and one boy, right? Then two
Yeah.
children are there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you name them?
Yeah. One. That girl's name I will say.
Yeah. Girl's name and the boy's name. Any name you say.
The girl's name is Rona.
Rona. Okay. And the boy's name
And
is
the boy's name is Benny.
Benny. Okay. Both the names are nice, only.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So now let's go for a game.
Yeah.
Which game do you want to play?
Can you say which all games are there?
Okay, I'll tell you. Actually, there's Connection and Atlas, but both are over.
Okay. Next.
Okay. So now we have memory game, then GK, riddle, tongue twister, spelling, and sentence making.
Spelling?
Spelling. Okay, wait 1 second. Which one you want? Any easy one or a hard one?
Easy.
Okay, say the spelling of imagine.
Imagine. I am
Okay.
a. 1 minute. I am
Okay.
a. G I.
Okay.
N-E.
N-E. Okay, that's a correct spelling.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So Riona, you like calling me? Like talking me and all? Talking to me and all?
Yes, of course I like.
Okay. So next time also you'll call, I guess, right?
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow also you call me.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah, that was Rihanna who called us. I guess she played the spelling. She told the spelling correctly and all. So let's go back to our topic. Our topic, like if I say about the history of carom, actually the inventor is unknown, and it is mentioned that India have discovered hockey, and I mean hockey and all. So same way, even they are saying that. India only discovered caroms also. So old Maharajas and all, they only discovered this caroms, and there's no evidence only who there's no concrete evidence. That's what. No one knows who invented or who played first, and no year, nothing. So it's something, something confusing still. So now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Vishal.
Ishal.
Vishal.
Vishal. Okay, hi Vishal.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Which grade you are in?
I'm in third.
And you are in third grade. Okay, which school?
Sharjah Indian.
Sharjah Indian School. So, you like your school and all?
Yes.
Okay. So, who's your best friend?
My best friend is Karthik
Karthik. Okay, why you like Karthik?
because he plays with me.
Because he plays with me. Okay.
Okay.
Which is your favorite subject?
Huh?
Which is your favorite subject?
Subject we play toys.
Weekdays, of course.
We play cars.
No, I'm asking which subject you like.
Subject I like science.
Science, okay. Hi-fi.
Huh?
Hi-fi. I also like science.
Okay.
Okay. So, so now let's go to a game.
Okay.
Okay. Which game do you want to play?
Which games are there?
I have GK, riddles, tongue twister, then sentence making, dictionary, memory game.
Okay, we'll play sentence making.
Sentence making, okay. Say three sentences with fur.
Oh, three sentences.
Yes, you have to say three sentences, not one sentence.
Okay. There's a boy standing in a car.
I mean fur.
What?
I'll give you a word, and with that word you have to make three sentences.
Okay.
Okay. The word is fur. You know this bear's fur and all.
Sorry?
You know this bear's fur and all.
Bat?
Bear, you know bear and any lion or something like that. They have fur, right?
I.
Fur. F-U-R.
F-U-R, fur.
Say a spelling
Okay.
with it. I mean sentence with it.
A cat has a soft fur.
Okay. Now two more sentences.
With fur?
Yeah, with fur only. Two more sentences.
I have a jacket made up of fur.
Okay. One more sentence.
A bear also has a soft fur.
Okay. So now that was a nice game, right?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Is the word was difficult?
No, it was easy.
Oh, okay, it was easy. Okay. So Vishal,
Huh?
your first time calling in the show?
Yes.
Okay. So now every day you can see, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, every day you see. Okay. Then bye Vishal.
Bye.
That was Vishal who called us. Okay, then let's go back to the topic. Now, if a one carom board with its surface made up of glass is still available in one of the palaces in Patiala in India. I don't know which state it is, but exactly if I say it is in Patiala. So, it became very most popular on the mass by world all over. Now if you go and ask to anyone all over the world, they'll say that okay, we know caroms. So then the game is very simple and a strategical game. Also you have to strike and put, so you have to think which will go to the this pocket, and you have to think and do that. But still it is a fun. 4 people can play because it's a square board, so only 4 people can play. Then that's what I told, like if you keep a board in front of your family, all will come and play caroms because everyone love, even parents love. Those parents who never plays also they'll come and play. That's what. So carom tournament began in Sri Lanka in 1935 and 1958. Both Sri Lanka and India formed a official association or a federation and sponsored tournaments and prizes. Okay, that's what the thing is. Now previously all carom players were following different rules. Like if you go to Paris, they'll follow different rules, something previously, but now only same rules are there. So that's what the thing. Yeah, before the rules are really hard to form and all, no, so they have to form and they have to get it and all, so it takes a time. So carom board is one. Carom pieces are 18, 9 8 plus 9 black, so that is 9 white plus 9 black is 18 pieces. Red 1, striker 1, and carom board, carom powder, sprinkle. There's a special powder, not the normal powder which we wear on the face. Okay, the special powder put on the carom board. But nowadays people also use the normal powder. So that's what. Okay, now anyway, now let's move on to a rhyme now.